Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Check time is a 1:30 here in Netherlands. We plan already that we go somewhere to meet our friends in Amsterdam. So we have a quick, because we are lady late, so kara-kara ang style. Like, making a sandwich, making the coffee, tea. To hold my friend that we come late, to see the beautiful flower. Just simple, guys. It's a nice weather today. It's 25 degrees. Our dog is, she's smart. She's intelligent dog. Hi, Lola. Say hi. Good morning. Dzień dobry. She know that we going out. So she go first in the door. She's waiting in the door. I don't need the eyeglasses. I'm old.
You're blind. You need that.
You're not going, Lola. You're not going. Hatch to hatch. Hatch. Hatch to hatch up. You're not going. You're not going. Dobre? Lola? Ispokoyo. Ispokoyo.
Oh, I love.
My God. Lola, hatch to!
Lola.
Hatch.
Chodź tutaj. Chodź.
Hatch.
Chodź.
Lola is... Lola. Okay. Look, Lola. Look, Lola first.
Zostań, Lola. Have everything?
Yeah. We're going, guys. So we are our way, guys. We dropped earlier from the store. We buy some drinks and chips. Yeah, so good luck of our journey. Drive safe, my kohani. See you there. We go in Amsterdam, but we pass by the Schiphol airport. Oh, he's not about to take off, my love. To take off or to... Oh, cannot say anymore. We're going under. We back to Amsterdam. Mahirap maghanap dito ng parking, guys. Tatlong ikot na kami sa paghahanap ng parking. Na-stress ako sa paghahanap. Ako ang na-stress. Ang driver wala na-stress. Naglakad kami going to the... Where is my friend? My Filipino friend. Say hi to my vlog. He is angry. Yeah. Parang turista lang kami, guys. We are tourists. Maganda. Maganda. Yan lang. Maraming tao ngayon. Iba because it's weekend. Dito kami magpunta guys. Island. Maraming tao ngayon. Yeah, because it's pag weekend ilalabas niya ako, guys. Pero ang dami namang lakad. Ako'y napagod man din. Tignan mo nga, guys, kung how many bicycles here. Maraming bicycle, guys. Here. Yan muna, guys, kasi lakad. Maganda ang araw ngayon. Ang weather ngayon. Hindi ba mainit, pero hindi siya. So maraming turista. bicycle. Mamaya na guys kasi ako'y naiihi. Ako'y naiihi. No? Wala saan din maghanap na ihian dito. Di gaya dyan na upo lang sa gilid-gilid, no? Sige na guys. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya ang mga kanal dito sa Amsterdam. Ayan ang kanal guys. Ng Amsterdam. Ayan doon, oh. Mag-boat sila, oh. Maglakad kami dito guys. Diyan dobre. Magandang umaga, maayong udto. Diha sa inyo, maayong hapon. In Amsterdam, I love what? In Amsterdam, what?
What?
The maganda. Hi. Hello.
Hello on the
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah.
Goedemiddag.
Goedemiddag everyone from Amsterdam. Yan ang kanal guys dito. Maraming boat. Ayan ang building, oh. Ayan. Ang daming bicycle. Ayun, pupunta kami doon guys, oh. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, ang dami daw mga lalaking gwapo, naghuhubad. Kita yung mga ano nila. Kita ang mga kuan nila. Mga golden. Ayan ang church guys, oh. Yan. Kailangan ng admire lang ko ng mga gwapo guys. Pero ito ang pinakagwapo nakita ko. Ayan, oh. Hi. I almost in the place and then we may go to see them and we ask for toilet also because I'm, you know, grabe, sige lakad dito, oy. The church? Yeah, I saw the church. Very big. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan kami guys, oh. Sama.
No.
Tingnan mo guys. How pretty the church. Daming bicycle. Tingnan mo na. Ayan, ang daming tao guys. Yan ang answer. I-tour ko kayo dito guys sa Amsterdam. Summer kasi kaya mga ladies sexy. Ay, sa Tilarma, nagkidit-kidit na siya. Jumping. Ayaw. Ay, my love, they do bicycle, but they are naked. Siya, sabi niya, hurry up.
Nakabike sila. Dali lang. Ayun na sila. Oh, paalis na sila.
Saan?
Ayan oh, mga nakabike.
Na?
Naked talaga sila.
Paano mo nalaman? Dalian mo.
They see a lot of people are there.
My love, I'm sorry. I can see another another golden thing. Sa Tilarma, kisi-kisi sa mga egg. Ignorante. Naglakad. Tingnan namin guys ang ano, yung nagbicycle na naghubad. Naghubad daw kita ang mga lagay nila guys, nagbitay. Saan si? Ay, oh. Ay, si May. Tingnan natin. Wala na.
There are a lot of people there.
Ay, oh.
We need to go there.
Ay, naghubad sila guys. Nagbicycle din, naghubad. Wala na. Nagbicycle. Ah.
Saan kaya sila?
Ayan, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan, nag-bicycle sila niya. Naghubad. Crazy.
Ayun, saan kaya sila punta na?
Ayun, naghubad guys. So, kita ang puwet nila guys.
Ang tagal nila doon.
Talaga?
Oo.
Binagtingan na nila sila ng ano, ng simbahan, ng kampana.
So where we go now?
We go Yan ang simbahan, oh. Andi, yan ang gwapo na boyfriend ko. Ay, boyfriend. Husband. Boyfriend. Husband. Ngayon nakita ng ibang lagay. Ay, boyfriend ka na.
I don't understand you.
Now I saw another lagay. I see boyfriend, not husband. Ate Lerma is si...
Come on, we go in my... Hey, Sarina. Mabagal ako.
Malayo ang pinarkingan namin, te. Wala kasing bakante. Ayan, oh. Yung nasa bootle, naguhubad din?
Hindi, mga taxis lang.
Ay, yung natika.
Kaya doon na naked sa labas.
Party time. The highlight is, we are late for the highlights.
Yeah, the buto.
The parade of buto.
Maybe somewhere.
Inormi kami ni ate sa ano, sa Amsterdam. Dito si ate nakatira.
Move the boat to the tourist.
Where?
Yeah.
Ay, oh yeah. You see the road? Ayan. The tourist. What? Cannot see. It should be like this, my love. I should be like this, my love. Look, come here. Should be a picture like this. The old tree. Ganda yung mga ano ng building tina. Structure tina.
Ito ang parang Grand Palace nila.
Ah, ito ang parang Grand Palace. I want to take picture that one, my love, oh. My love, that one. Ang daming tao. Ayan, ah. Dito, ayan, the crossing. We're still walking. We keep walking, guys. We keep walking, my God. See? Wala talagang upuan dito, guys. Hanggang dulo, guys. Hanggang makauwi na tayo. Walking pa rin tayo. Ayan. Baka dito sa mall may upuan. Maybe in the there is a kapagod mga gagaga. Tingnan mo ang mukha niya, oh. Napagod na siya sa kaikot. Tilerma is here. Malapit na tayo, te?
Ganun tayo, malayo pa tayo.
Ha?
Malayo pa.
Malayo pa daw kami, guys. Sa kainan, magkain daw kami.
Yung isang street.
Doon daw sa kanto, my love. In the other, corner. Ayan, oh.
No, right, straight, sail, yeah.
Hindi mo nakakulit sila.
Lakad kami ng lakad. Wala talagang upuan. Wala talagang upuan, guys. Ayan. Walang upuan. Paganda. It's nice, but yeah. It's nice, but yeah. When we get at home, our legs is already kaput. Siyo, nakaupo lang sila sa daan. Ah?
Kain silang kiblings. Yung isda.
Isda?
Oo, kiblings. Kiblings.
dito din may Uniqlo. Hindi naman masyadong mainit. It's weekend kasi. Tingnan mo ang parking ng mga bicycle. The tram, guys. The tram.
Wel, mayo.
Kahit saan may bicycle, guys. Yun, oh. Ano sila, oh? Nakasanbatin.
See, the shop with the ducks.
Yeah, Mama Ducks. Mama Duck store.
You see on the internet, it was many years ago.
Uh-huh.
They put on the canal many small ducks, thousands of ducks.
And then it's lost.
No.
Someone took it.
They still looking for some ducks, but that's
Oh,
broken.
You always...
Duy.
See you
That's
next
why I
time.
say, oh, para si Ate Dudoy.
Duy. Bye. Bye-bye. Ako lang itim dito, guys. Sila lahat na puti. Wala ka tapos ang lakad to, oy. I deserve a massage.
Why?
Really.
This was your idea, not mine.
Yeah, every weekend, my love will bring me outside.
Yeah, I agree. I deserve for massage.
If I say I reserve for a massage, and she said also, he reserved for massage.
It's correct answer.
This is what I want. So, no complaint. Diba sabi, hindi na natin alam paano bumalik. Malayo naman to. McDonald's. We are in the city, that's why. Ayan ang mga bicycle, oh. Daming bicycle ang tram there. Tram. Ayan ang tram. Central Station. Ang daming train. Isang buong araw kami. One day tour. One day walking around.
Over the... We cross.
We cross?
Yeah.
Okay, cross my lap.
There, famous Spain.
Bon appetit! Chicken ka, my love. My love is chicken. Mine is barbecue and kaate din. Bon appetit, ate. Ayan ang mga mayaman. Mayaman din kami. Sakay sila ng boat at mag around the Amsterdam. And ito ang ito ang husband ko. Maya. Look haggard and tired. Oh, you have 6 packs now after walking. We walk 6 hours. We have 6 bucks. Only one 6 bucks. 1 6 bucks. Boiler. Ouch, ouch. Ouch, my love. We are on the way back home from Amsterdam, guys. We have fun, but yeah, of course, tired. That's the gala. Bye. I hope you have a good day. You have a nice Saturday.